sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. And welcome, here we are at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. Yo, it's 7:30 in the morning. But anyway, let's go behind the scenes of the sheikra roller coaster. Tip: make sure you book this very early. It's very limited and there's only a few times per month. Here's some of your safety harnesses. And this is the lift that climbs you up to the top. Don't stand up. And check this out. I was too scared to hold the camera upright, so that's why it looks like this. Tip: don't do this if you're scared of heights. But just check out this view. Isn't this amazing? And look at this drop. Oh my God.
Oh man. Boom.
Now it's time to check behind the scenes at the cheetah hunt. It's pretty cool. And this is the famous lift. Tip: make sure you bring a camera. You can record everywhere. Water's even included. Now let's check out the COBRA'S curse.
Technical difficulties. We have maintenance personnel coming to the scene to assess the situation. We just have...
Now on to the list of pros. And here's the list of cons. As far as my rating, this is definitely a must-do. If you like this video and you want to see more, why don't you think about subscribing? Thanks for stopping by, and until then, I'll see you next time. Yes.